Hey YouTube, good old Luke here again. What we got here today is a flat tire on the work truck, so we're going to take this thing off and see if we can get it fixed. Okay YouTube, we've got this tire off. We've got it up here in the building. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put a little bit of air in it, and then we're going to rub it down with this soapy water and see if we can find the cause of our leak. What we're looking for is just any little sign of a bubble or a hissing. There it is. There's our leak right there. Alright, now that I found my leak, I'm going to dry that spot off. Found it again. Right there. We're going to dry that down. I'm going to take my chalk pencil and I'm going to put a mark right there. Alright, now I'm going to take this tire repair kit and we're going to start with the rasp tool. I'm going to punch it in right there, right into the source of the leak. We're going to drive that straight in. And once we've got it in there, we're going to use it to clean out that hole. Back and forth. Not too much, just a couple of times. Should do the trick. And let it sit just like that. Now we're going to take the second tool, which looks like this. And we're going to load a tire plug in it. I'm going to take that tire plug and we're going to thread it right through the needle, right into the middle, so it's centered, just like that. Alright, here we go. Now we're going to pull this rasp back out of the hole, and pretty quick we're going to stick this one back in that hole that we just made. You want to get it in there pretty deep, but you want to make sure that you still have some of the ends of that plug still coming out. And we're going to pull it out with a twisting motion. Here we go. I'm going to check it one more time to see if we've got any air coming out. Don't see any bubbles. That should be a good repair. All we're left now is to put the tire back on the truck, and we're good to go. Thanks for watching.